Welcome to this exciting journey into the realm of writing, where we unlock the secrets to creating engaging characters for your stories. In this video, we'll delve into a treasure trove of writing tips and tricks that will spark your creativity and help you develop characters that resonate with your readers. Join us as we explore the art of character development and unleash the power of your imagination. Part 1. Understanding your character's motivations. The foundation of any compelling character lies in understanding their motivations. Dive deep into your character's desires, fears, and goals. What drives them to take action? What are their inner conflicts? Unraveling these aspects of your characters will breathe life into them, making them relatable and multidimensional. Take your time to explore your characters' backstories, exploring their past experiences and how they shaped their present selves. This process will help you develop well-rounded characters that leave a lasting impact on your readers. Part 2. Creating unique personalities. Every character should have their own distinct personality that sets them apart from others in your story. Consider their quirks, strengths, weaknesses, and idiosyncrasies. Are they introverted or extroverted? Optimistic or cynical? Brave or fearful? Remember, characters don't always have to be perfect. Embrace their flaws and vulnerabilities, as these traits often make them more relatable and endearing to readers. Part 3. Show, don't tell. Show, don't tell, is a golden rule in writing, and it applies to character development as well. Instead of outright telling your audience about a character's traits or emotions, use vivid descriptions, actions, and dialogue to reveal their inner world. Let your readers infer the character's personalities and emotions through their interactions with others and their reactions to different situations. This technique will immerse readers in your story and foster a deeper connection with your characters. Part 4. Putting characters in challenging situations. To truly develop your characters, put them in challenging situations that force them to grow and evolve. Conflict is a powerful catalyst for character development, and how your characters respond to adversity can be transformative. Consider the obstacles they face, both internal and external, and observe how they overcome these challenges. This process will make your characters dynamic and engrossing, drawing readers deeper into your narrative. Part 5. Draw inspiration from real life. Look to the world around you for inspiration. Draw from real-life individuals, their mannerisms, and interactions to infuse authenticity into your characters. Observe people in different settings and social situations, taking note of their unique behaviors and speech patterns. Incorporate these observations into your characters to add depth and realism to their personas. Congratulations! You've now unlocked a treasure trove of writing tips and tricks to develop engaging characters for your stories. Embrace the power of understanding your character's motivations, creating unique personalities, and showing rather than telling. As you embark on your writing journey, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Allow your imagination to roam freely, and don't be afraid to experiment with different character traits and storylines. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of character development. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow writers. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable writing insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest writing tips and tricks. Now go forth and breathe life into your characters, for they are the heart and soul of your storytelling.